time to react. It's time to react. It's time to react. Hey, man. It's your boy Long Beach Joe, and it's time to react. Listen, please give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family across your social media. Also, as well, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell so when I post content, you folks will be in the know. Check the description of the video. It has a link tree. It has the links to all of my social media. Please follow me. Please talk to your boy because I talk back. Also down there as well as the links to other YouTube channels that I have on the platform of the content that I do. Please check that out as well and subscribe to those channels. Now, listen, there's some people out there that are crazy athletic, man. Dudes out here playing sports, doing their thing, and we're going to check out some freakishly athletic moments, man. Dudes getting dunked on, people just falling, all kinds of crazy stuff. So sit back with your favorite beverage, get your favorite snack. It's your boy Long Beach Joe. It's time to react. Let's get to the content. Let's go. Boy, getting up. Noah Fairclough. The boy got up right there. He got up. Okay. Oh, Jalen Green. Listen, that boy Jalen Green, I know he in the league now. This was from when he was in high school, bruh. That boy was known for dunking on people. He's unbelievably athletic, man. These dudes be getting up salutes. Ooh. Hold on, we going back. He hung in the air, bounced off him, and punched it down. Two-handed. Okay. Boys is getting up, man. What Jimmy gonna do with it? Y'all see how he got up on that one, bro? Look at this. What are you gonna do? Oh, he crossed the mess up. That boy knee is done. Oh my goodness. Oh, we going back on this one. Look at this. Look at that boy knee. It buckled. Oh, I hope he all right, man. That's a crazy play. Boy, Josh. What? He jumped over that boy. Look at this. He jumped over that boy. Look at how high up this man is. Oh, my goodness, bro. Okay. Oh, Greg Brown. Woo! That boy got boomed on. Look, there's nothing wrong with playing defense. I grew up playing basketball. If you playing defense, that's going to happen. Salutes and respect to him. I don't like the walking over you. You know what I'm saying? That's not necessary. You know, you can get a tech for that as well. He went up. He made a play. But that should not stop that boy. Salutes to that boy for trying to play defense, trying to block that, going up there. Just, you know. It just wasn't his play. That boy banged it down on him. I ain't gonna lie. Wow. Okay. Got up and got over him as well. Yes, sir. Ooh. He freaked it right there. Let's go back. Brought it over. Ooh. Cooper, what you bringing? Okay. Easy. Cooper make it look easy. Oh, he getting up. Ooh. Hold on. Get up. Get up. That's what Trevon told him. Get up. Whoa. Ooh. Jason, he came late, but he still got boomed, though. God. He getting up. Okay, through the legs. This kid's athletic, man. KJ lob up. All right. What in the world? Wait a minute. Bro, look at how high this young man is jumping. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Some people just got that, man. Some people just got that just freakish athleticism. It's just almost like they aliens. No lie, man. Look at how this man is up, way up. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy. Ooh, Matt McClung, yep. Matt McClung was dunking crazy when he was in school. Bronny. Okay. Bronny was something clean. Ooh, that boy took it to the cup with strength. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Zion with the block. Hold on. Look at how high up he is. He took that off the backboard, bruh. And then had to like duck, almost get out of the way of the backboard. He was up. Zion, when he was in high school, bruh, monster. Look at this right here, bruh. Zion cocked it all the way back. Boom. Okay, Hansel. Ooh. And then he laughed at him. Hansel, for those of y'all that don't know, bruh, this dude right here, he has one arm. Don't look. A lot of people look and be like, man, he only got one arm. Bruh, that man can play. Do you hear me? This young man right here can play. All right? He can get up. He's athletic. He can dribble like crazy. Man, y'all just saw right there. He'll put it down on you. And then laugh at you, too. Anthony Edwards getting up. Yes, sir. Boom. That's nice. Okay, he brought it back. Darius brought it back. All right. What are you going to do with this one? That boy came around his back. He came around his back with it. I'm going up and I'm going to punch it down. Okay. Malik dunked that. All right, let's get it. We going back. What the? Oh! Bruh, are you serious? Whoa. Okay. Trey Parker dunking. Oh, that's a nice little layup. Oh, Bo. This was when he was young, man. He just took that straight out that dude's hand. Whoa, what? Whoa. He punched it down on that kid. JD in the league too now. He in the league too now. When he was in high school, that boy was balling as well. He was balling as well, man. As y'all just seen, he was athletic then, freakish. He was getting up, dunking on people. He put in the work, though. He worked hard, man. JD coast to coast. Okay. Taco. Yeah. Ricky. Baseline punched it down on him. Boy's getting up, man. Okay, Hansel said I can do this too. All right. What we doing? Okay, he banged it back down. What's good with it, though? What's good with it? Hansel gonna try to go coast to coast? He did. Bruh. That was something else right there, boy. Hansel said, okay, you challenge me, I'm going to challenge you. Let's go back. They went back and forth for dunks. Listen, man. I'm telling you, there's people out there that just be getting up freakishly athletic, man. Salutes, man. Salutes to all those guys. Again, some of those guys is in the league now. We saw Matt McClung recently just won the slam dunk contest as well. Salutes to him. You know, a lot of guys in there. JD, Jalen Green, they in the league too. They doing their thing, man. But as y'all saw, Zion as well in the league too. As y'all saw, man, they were getting it done when they was in high school. Getting it done when they was young too. Going up, going to the cup, athletic. Strong too, going to the cup strong. Man, comment down below. Let me know, you know what I'm saying? What was y'all doing? You know, was you in the sports when you was was a youth? Was you taking it to the cup with strength? Was you booming on people? You know what I mean? Comment down below. Let me know. Also, if you want to see me react to something, man, let me know. Put that in the comments as well. Listen. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. Man, salutes to everybody out there putting in the work, man. Getting it done in sports. Put whatever your sport is, basketball, football, whatever it is. Salutes to y'all. I respect it. It's your boy Long Beach Joe, man. And I'm out.